Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but hopefully I can try. I know I keep saying this, but I really hope I can try to be consistent. But today I'm going to be doing a full face of E.L.F. cosmetics. I always want to try full face of cosmetics because I've only been using their primers, and they're really good for me. So I wanted to give their other products a try. Well, no, I lied. I think I use the primers and brow products and a mascara. I think those are the only products that I have used before out of E.L.F. Cosmetics, if I can remember. But other than that, I don't think I can. Other than that, I don't think I have tried anything else. I want to try other stuff from E.L.F. Cosmetics. So if you'd like to see me do a full face of E.L.F. Cosmetics, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's just get started. Okay, first we're gonna start off with primer. I'm gonna be taking the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. And I come to like this putty primer. It actually does work. And I might have taken a lot, but look. Your girl is heavy-handed and it works for me. I haven't tried any of their other putties, putty primers yet, like the matte one and their glow. Well, I wouldn't try the glow one anyway because I have oily skin, but I feel like it's no point in me trying the matte version though, because it's like I use powder, a lot of powders, and like I use a lot of powder and stuff. I'm just afraid that I might over powder or something, or I might use a matte foundation and I don't want to be too powdery because I feel like I can always mess up. Just for me, I always mess up on being too matte and I'd be too dry, and I'm like, damn, I know I'm oily, but I don't want to be dry. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the E.L.F. Jellypop Dew Primer right here. I really like this primer because I ain't gonna lie, this shit smells good. It's my watermelons. I usually just pump it on my face, but yeah, I'm gonna just do a little bit. But yeah, this stuff right here smell like watermelon. It smells good. And I'm usually sensitive to smell. Like some of y'all companies be able to be making stuff so like so I don't know, y'all just be too much scented. Like I don't understand why y'all want y'all products to smell. I don't even know. Like I can't even think straight. It's just, y'all gotta understand there's people out there that couldn't take the smell. So it's like, damn, what are we supposed to do? Because I'm instantly throwing that bitch away. I'm not gonna use that shit no more if that shit smells so bad. I can't take the smell. And it'd be something, I understand where we sell some products where it'd be like, oh, you can, let me just shut up, Camille. So next, I'm gonna be moving on to brows. I've come to liking doing my brows before foundation. I think I used to do it before when I first started doing makeup, but I don't know. Sometimes I mess up, sometimes I don't. I think it just depends, but lately I've been liking doing it, so it works for me. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking this Ultra Brow Pencil, and I think I got this in black. Cause the one I wanted, they didn't have it in stock. I think the one shade I wanted was like deep brown, so it would have worked for me. But I think this black will work. I just gotta be careful and not be heavy-handed. I think it looks about good right now. We can come back and fix it. So I decided to finish my brow off camera because I was over there, I was struggling, okay? It's a struggle. It's a struggle. So I decided to just finish it off camera, even though I don't think I'm finished with them, but this is the best I can do. Okay? Geesh, don't peer pressure me. Anyway, so now that I feel like the primer has set and everything, okay, so I'm gonna be taking the E.L.F. Flawless Finishing. I'm gonna be taking the E.L.F. Flawless Finish Foundation, and I have mine in the shade Suede. Hopefully this match. Medium 10 with golden undertones. Oh yeah, I don't know if this is gonna match, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see, baby. I'm gonna do about like 2 pumps. So I'm gonna be taking the Ultimate Blending Brush by E.L.F. I have the other one, but this one is broken. The E.L.F. powder brush that I use as foundation, a foundation brush, but that one, the handle was like coming off, so the handle was off. So I decided to buy me a new brush. So oh no. Kind of smell like lotion. Okay, so I like to just buff like, not like, I don't know what this color, but yeah. So just stamp the foundation in. Oh, this looks like a decent match. Yeah, yeah. Oh, foundation don't smell that bad. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to be taking the 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I have 2 shades here. I have the shade Medium Warm and the shade Tan Sand. So here's what the Camo Concealer looks like. I don't know which one I want to use because I don't really like highlighting that much, but maybe I will today. So I'm going to be taking what is this? Medium Warm? I'm so scared, bro. Like, you understand. I am so scared. Oh, that's light. Oh, hell no. Okay. So I'm gonna take Tan Sand. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I don't know what to do. I ain't do nothing. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm dead. Are you dead ass? Oh. Oh no. E.L.F., I didn't know he was gonna do me like this. Look like Casper the Ghost. Oh, I don't like how this is creasing under my eye. I don't like how this is looking under my eyes. I don't know. It's just, maybe I should have tried the hydrating one, but this is looking dry and horrible. I have the E.L.F. matte setting powder. I have 2 shades. I have the shades Medium. This is Medium right here. And I have the shades Tan right here. This is the shade Tan right here. So this is Tan. So I'm really wanting to use medium under my tan under my eyes right now. I swear to God I do. Just so I can see what it looks like, but I'm scared that tan looks very dark. So I'm gonna have to use, or I can just mix them and see what I get. You know, every time I do my makeup, my nose starts running. I don't know why. So I'm using the shade Medium under my eyes because I think the tan one might be a little bit too dark. But if I can mix them, I need to buy me a separate container so I can mix the two a little bit. I could make it work. I always say how this eye looks like I ain't got no concealer, and then this eye does. So I'll stick with the medium until I can get me like a little container or something to mix it. And then I just used the medium shade for the rest of my face. My face doesn't look bad. It's just the only thing I think that looks bad is my under eye. My under eyes look so bad. Okay, moving on to my eyes real quick. I have this E.L.F. Putty Primer. I have the one in shade, what is this? Yeah, I have the one in Sand. I picked up these bite-sized eyeshadows. I have these two right here. Pumpkin pie and the fuck is that? Hot jalapeno. Hot jalapeno. So I'm gonna be using pumpkin pie because I don't feel green today. So let me take in this shade right here. This one right here. So I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. Right there. Just to deepen it up just a little bit. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. Okay, so this is what the eyes looking like. Hopefully they look similar or whatever, but always to me it feels like this eye is always just something with different than this eye. So I don't know. That's why I always be looking. I'd be looking at myself and be like, what the fuck is wrong? But it looks so different. Moving on to contour. I have the bite-sized face duo. I have the one in coconut for a contour. This is what it looks like. And then I also have the face duo for a blush and a highlight. This contour, right? I don't like how that's looking, but it's just giving off a weird color. So next I'm gonna take this is actual blush. This is the one in Lychee. It's called Lychee. And that's this one right here. I have the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from E.L.F. I wanted the matte version, but there was none in stock. Hey, that smells so good. It smells like chocolate coconut. I'm gonna take the highlight in that same blush, the Lychee blush one. So moving on to lips, I'm going to be using this, I don't have an E.L.F. Cosmetics lip pencil, so I'm just going to be using an unfoldable lip pencil. Okay, so I did pick up like these E.L.F. like ride or die lip balm. I have 2 shades. Minty Mint, the clear one. Like semi-clear, clear. I don't know, but it's clear. Then I also have the, what is color? What is this? Tough Cookie. You a tough cookie, baby. When I lip balm, I think of like, not, this shit thick. I didn't think this shit would be thick. This shit is thick. Like, I really think this stuff would be thick, like dead ass. This is thick, thick, thick. It works. This is the E.L.F. Active Sweat Resistant Mascara and the Sweat Resistant Clear Brow Gel. Yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed me doing this full face of E.L.F. Cosmetics. I liked it, pretty much everything. The only thing I really I'm still iffy about is the concealer. It's just because they make my under eyes look dry as hell. But yeah, other than that, I think everything else performed pretty good to me. I'm not an expert. It's just if it looks cool and perform well, then shit, it looks good to me, okay? It looks good to me. But these concealers, baby, got my under eye looking like a dry desert. But yeah, anyway, like I said, I hope you enjoyed me doing this full face of E.L.F. Cosmetics. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Peace.